What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another review video. Today we'll be taking a look at Rule of Threads Premium Joggers. I have them in all four colors, so I'll be trying each one of them on, of course giving my thoughts, ranking them in my favorite color to least favorite, and then of course scoring it at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, before we get into the joggers, I just want to say if you haven't seen the Rule of Threads t-shirt video that I made, I'll link that right here, but I highly recommend giving them a shot. I'm being completely honest, these are probably top 3 t-shirts that I own, and I like them even more than when I posted that video. They are just like really high quality, super comfortable, really stretchy. The only one thing I didn't like was the tag at the bottom. It was just like, it's just a little bit too much for me, for my liking, and I think other people felt that way as well. But they're releasing a new version without that tag. It's just going to be like, I think similar to the way this looks, which is like monochrome, so you can't really notice it. So really looking forward to that, and especially the new colors as well. Definitely try out their shirts. I'm being completely honest. You could use my code, and I know I get a little percentage or whatever, but I'll never steer you guys wrong. I'll never recommend something for me to get money. Like, I don't really actually care. It's not that much. So highly recommend you give them a shot if you haven't yet. Okay, now for the joggers. These are made up of 92% nylon and 8% spandex. So I was a little surprised by that actually, because when I think of nylon, I think of my Western Rise pants, and those are like some of the most durable, like they just feel like a little more like rough, I would say. And these feel like butter smooth. So the fact that these are nylon, that's awesome, because I know they're gonna be durable. They definitely feel durable, but at the same time, they're like so soft. So another thing I noticed was that they were extremely stretchy. Like, I'm really not even trying that hard, and they're just like very just naturally stretchy, and that makes it very comfortable when you try these on. Okay, moving a little bit closer, we have zipper pockets on both the left and the right side, which is really nice to have so you don't have your shit falling out of your pockets, especially when you're working out. The tips on the drawstrings feel really high quality. They are like that really hard plastic with the smooth, buttery silicone feel. Moving to the back of the pant, we have an additional zipper pocket. Moving further down the pants, we have a nice gusset right here to give you more room for the boys. Love when companies do that. Then we have a line break right here. And continue to go down. We do have a cuff at the bottom. So you guys know, if you've watched my videos, how I feel about cuffs. I would prefer not to have cuffs. And if it is going to have a cuff, I just don't want it to like parachute out too much. And these don't do it too bad, but you'll notice when I try them on, it does bunch up a little bit. Not a huge deal. It's just not ideal for me. All right, I am 6 feet tall, 160 pounds. I typically wear a 31 or 32 waist, and my length is typically a 32 for regular pants. Now these are a 32 waist and 30 length. So I would recommend probably going, one size shorter, because I think these fit me perfectly. But let's go ahead and take a look.
I not too late to be heard. So tell me what I need to know. Tell me what I need to know. And stop this charade.
Okay, I want to rank these in order from least favorite to favorite by color. So first up, in last place, will be the cream color. For me, these just look a little bit too like peachy. I would prefer like a taupe-ish color. So yeah, these are our last place for me. In fourth place is black. I actually really like the black ones. The only thing is they catch a little bit of lint. It's just like easier to see on the black ones, but I probably would wear these just as much as all the other ones, to be honest. So there's not like a big margin here. Next up is gray. No reason, I just like gray. Next, green in second place. Really like this green color, I think it's really cool. And then in first place, of course, that leaves this charcoal blue. I just love this color. This is definitely my favorite. Highly recommend. So there's the ranking for the colors. Let's move on to the ranking for the actual numbers now. Okay, first up we have fit, 5.3 out of 6. That's actually the same score that the Bird Dog joggers got last week. I think they fit very similar and really, really awesome. And they're nice and slim. The length is perfect. The only thing I would change is the cuff, but that's more of like a style thing, not really a fit. So I think that's a fair score. For comfort, these are very comfortable, way more comfortable than the Bird Dog joggers from last week. These are getting a 3.4 out of 4 points, giving them a total of 8.7 out of 10. Okay, let's talk about value. These are $79, but you can use my code and then get 20% off. That brings them down to 63 bucks. And I think that's fair. I think these are definitely premium. They feel butter smooth. They feel durable. They're nice and comfy. They fit really well, so you get what you pay for, and I think that is fair. So these are going to get a value of good. All right, guys, that's going to wrap this one up. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, comment down below. I'm going to start doing something new where I take my favorite comment and then post it at the end of my next video. But I hope everyone has an amazing Super Bowl Sunday, and I will see you next week with a brand new video.
Like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cut throat from the low when no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that.